I had a filter on this shit, but this shit don't need nothing filter. I'm about to get this bigger. I ain't got shit else to do. This right here is too fucking big. This should be hurting. Carrying a bum ass nigga on my neck. This should be hurting, man. This musty ass nigga. But yeah, I got crazy, man. Put it. I've been living different lately. Oh, you like to come out when the sun go down. Then that bitch ass nigga on the other side. I got some more shit. I just don't feel like grabbing it, but I think I'm gonna just wear this big bitch.